All right, for this one, we're going to go way back to basics. We're revisiting a story so fundamental, you probably think you know everything about it.
Yep, you heard me. The story of water. But hey, this isn't your old school science lesson. No way. We're gonna follow a single drop from your kitchen tap, trace it all the way back to its source, watch it go through some incredible transformations, and then bring it right back to the role you play in its journey. So let's dive in.
Okay, let's bring this right home. To you. Seriously, just think about your morning. From the second you woke up, how many times did you use water? I bet it's way more than you think. I mean, from that first cup of coffee to the clean clothes you put on, our daily lives are literally built on water, but our need for it is just a tiny part of the story. As our source material points out, every single plant and animal on this planet shares that exact same fundamental need.
And that's the key, isn't it? It's not something we just like, it's something we absolutely need to survive. This simple sentence from our source text says it all. It's the building block for everything that lives and breathes on Earth. I mean, our own bodies are something like 60% water. Think about that. It's not just in us, in a way, it is us.
Which, of course, leads to the big question. If we all need it so badly, where's all this water actually coming from?
Well, it all starts up in the sky with rain, which, by the way, our source calls the purest form of water. Once that rain falls, it kind of splits off. Some of it hangs out on the surface, filling up lakes and rivers, but the rest? It starts this slow, secret journey, seeping deep, deep into the ground. And that stuff is what we call groundwater. It's like this huge, hidden ocean flowing right under our feet. You can think of it as Earth's own natural storage tank. And as you can see here, we've gotten pretty clever over the years with ways to get to it, from old school wells to these super powerful pumps.
Okay, but this is where the story takes a turn. Just because water comes from these natural places, well, that doesn't mean it's automatically safe to use. Take a look at these two glasses. One of them is life itself. The other, it can be really dangerous. And the big difference isn't just the dirt you can see, it's the millions of invisible germs that can make us super sick.
So, how does good water go bad? Well, our source material points the finger right at us, at human activity. It's everything from someone carelessly tossing trash into a river, to people washing clothes, all the way up to factories dumping their waste. Each of these actions systematically poisons our clean water.
But here's the good news. For such a big problem, our source offers a really simple solution. It all comes down to one number, 20. That's it. Just 20 minutes of boiling is enough to kill those nasty germs, turning unsafe water into something pure again. It's such a simple, low-tech tool, but it has the power to save lives. All right, we've talked about safety. Now let's get into the science, because this is where water gets, well, kind of magical. We're talking about its superpower, its ability to completely change its identity. I mean, think about it. We see these three forms all the time. You've got the liquid water you drink, the solid ice cubes in your freezer, and that invisible gas, water vapor, that steams up from a kettle. And this constant shape-shifting, it's literally what powers the entire planet's water system. And this amazing, continuous process of transformation? Yep, it's got a name you probably remember, the water cycle. You can think of it as the planet's engine, always running, always moving water around the globe and changing its form along the way. And it's a beautiful four-step dance. First, you've got evaporation. The sun heats up the water in lakes and oceans, and it rises up as invisible vapor. Then, way up high where it's cold, that vapor chills out and we get condensation. It turns back into tiny droplets, forming clouds. And when those droplets get too heavy to hang on, that's precipitation, rain. And finally, collection. The water flows back into rivers, lakes, and seas, and the whole amazing journey is ready to start all over again. So we've seen this giant planetary system at work, but you know what? It brings us right back to where we started, back to our own homes and our own daily habits. And the main point from our source material on this, it's simple and it's powerful. Water is precious. We absolutely should not waste it. Every single drop counts.
And the best part is that saving water isn't about some huge, complicated lifestyle change. The source material gives us these super simple, but really powerful tips. We're talking about things like, just turning off the tap while you brush your teeth, or maybe taking a slightly shorter shower. Even using that little bit of water left in your water bottle to give your plants a drink. They all seem like tiny things, right? But when you imagine millions of us doing them, they add up to make a huge, huge difference.
So there you have it. We followed the journey of water from a single drop in your tap all the way through this massive global cycle, and now it's come full circle, right back to you. At the end of the day, it all comes down to a choice, a simple choice. So the question I want to leave you with is this: what's one small change you're going to make today